evidence of her stepmother's infidelity. Finally, the cat husband and stepmother receive the consequences for their actions. The mother cat has prepared breakfast for the kitten and is about to take the kitten to the school bus.
Bye, Mom. I'm going to school.
The kitten was on the bus going home when he was startled when he saw the dilapidated scene outside.
Hi, Mom.
Oh no! The mother cat has turned into a zombie and is chasing the kitten! The kitten goes to report to the police, but all the police have also turned into